Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to screen record on a Mac using QuickTime Player. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a computer, the software which is built in to the Mac QuickTime Player, and now we can go all the way down to the dock, go to the Launchpad, search for the application QuickTime Player. Click on this and now go all the way to the top of the screen on your Mac to the toolbar. Click on File, New Screen Recording. Go to the arrow that points to the bottom. Internal microphone show mask clicks in recording, and now press the record button. Click to record the full screen or drag to record part of the screen. We are now recording the full screen. 1 click, 2 click, 3, 4. And to end the video, go to the top toolbar. Command S to save. Video. Save to the desktop. Click on the video. We can now play the video to see the recording. We are now recording the full screen. 1 click, 2 click, 3, 4. And to end the video, go to the top. Quit QuickTime Player. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.